Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a BMW X5 E53 radio. First, gather your essential tools for this task. You will need a plastic trim removal tool to safely pry components, a T10 Torx screwdriver for specific fasteners, and a small flathead screwdriver. Before you begin, ensure your workspace is clean and well lit. Also, place a soft cloth over your dashboard to protect it from any accidental damage during the removal process. Now, let's start by carefully removing the volume knob from your radio. It should pull straight off. Next, locate the small slot just below where the volume shaft was. Insert your small flathead screwdriver here and turn it 1/4 of a turn counterclockwise to release a locking mechanism. With that done, use your plastic trim removal tool to gently pry the radio panel away from the dashboard, working around the edges to release all the retaining clips. With the radio panel now loose, carefully pull it forward to gain access to the securing screws. You will find 2 T10 Torx screws, one on each side of the radio unit. Loosen these screws. They don't need to be fully removed, just loosened enough to release the unit. Once the screws are loose, gently slide the entire radio unit out of the dashboard opening, which will expose the electrical connectors at the back. To complete the removal, first disconnect the antenna cable by pressing its small release tab and pulling it straight out. Next, unclip the main wiring harness. This usually involves pressing a small release clip and then swinging a larger lock lever 90 degrees to release the connector. Once both are disconnected, your radio is fully removed. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.